Hello friends, I'm Roman. As we all know, in today's competition in the printing industry, it is very important to accurately control the tension in the printing industry. In this regard, we abandon the contact sensor. Our systems abandon the old-fashioned contact sensor and adopts the latest non-contact sensor technology to ensure higher level of stability and accuracy. Moreover, the non-contact sensor has the effect of prolonging the service life of the machine. You can significantly reduce the wear of the machine parts, make the equipment more durable, and lower the maintenance cost. On this basis, it has ultra-high tension control accuracy, reaching amazing 1.3 kg force, bringing you unprecedented printing quality and consistency. For easy tensile materials, such as PE, our systems has a wide advantages. Choose Ounuo. Let's change the industry together.